We are going to see Drake today. We are going to freaking see Drake today. I did not talk to you guys about this, so like this is new news. You guys didn't know. Also, these glasses were for free from a brand. I think that they're cute. I just love the oversized look. I just look a little ratchet right now because my hair is a little up like that. I didn't even know that I was going. Like I was just like kind of saying like, oh, like yeah, I'm gonna go see him. I'm a pretty good Drake fan. I just came back from traveling yesterday and now I'm going to go see Drake. I had told Anthony, my brother, that we were gonna go and then he was like, yes, I'm so down. Luckily he wasn't even working today. What do nosebleed tickets look like? Like what do they look like? You guys are gonna come along with me and see what the nosebleed tickets look like. In 2016 I paid like $100 to go see him and I was literally front row. The core memories, I could spend time with my brother. Anthony loves Drake. This is what we're working with at the moment. I cannot wait to show you guys my closet. Although I hate my apartment, I just hate the management of it, but like the apartment itself, she's just baby, you know? It's not my absolute favorite, but she's very cute. But yeah, let's just try to choose an outfit real quick. What are the vibes? What are we? Okay, actually I have some fire fits that I have been like archiving like really hard. I've definitely been archiving some fits in here. It's just some of those fits that are like, they're just way too good that I don't ever want to wear them because they're just that good. They're all right here. And I just like this black one is just like kind of calling my name. But at the same time, I'm like, do I want to wear it yet? Like, I just feel like these are like too, like, they're cool, but they're a little girly pop for Drake's concert tonight, you know? Like, tonight I kind of want to just be like sexy. Like, I have this fit, okay? So, like, but like, I've been wearing a lot of red recently. So I'm like, do I want to wear this? And also, I'm going with my brother. The only thing that I can think of to wear tonight is literally this. But I don't even think that this is giving, to be honest. Oh, what do I do, guys? What do I do?
2,000 years later.
I found the fit, guys, but I'm not gonna lie, this is not the vibe I was going for. But it's really freaking cute. I love this outfit, but it's not what I was like planning to wear. But it's these like flared, they're like fitted in, they're flared. These are vintage. I love them. These are from Fashion Nova. They're so cute. They're very comfy actually. Just a little big on me. And then I got this. Oh my goodness, I can't remember where she's from, but you guys will already have seen it on my Instagram. Very low rise. I kind of feel like I want to wear a hat or something, but I don't think that I have anything. Or oh my gosh, hear me out. Oh my gosh, hold on. Probably just made this fit like 10 times hotter. I will probably wear this. I'm probably gonna be extremely freaking hot, but if this works out, then it's gonna work out and I'm gonna be so happy. Like, this is just one of those things where like you just kind of pair things together and it just like looks good. I think that this is gonna look very good together. This is for sure gonna be cute. Now I'm happy. Hey guys, it's Aidette. We're getting ready to go to the Drake concert. I already did my brows. They're laid down. I use an Elmer's glue stick. Okay, that just shows how chaotic today is going to be. It is currently 3:20. I have to be at my mom's house by 5 because I need to go pick up my brother. He's coming with me. Anthony, you guys know Anthony. You guys love him. So we're going to start off with some new makeup. Today is definitely not the day to use new makeup, but we're going to do it today. So I'm using the Makeup Forever HD Skin. This is in the shade 3Y40. I'm putting on a lot of foundation today because we want it to be full coverage. I also want to look very tan, so if this looks a little funky in the beginning, don't worry. I'm more of a girl that's like, all right, give me all the coverage like immediately. I was gonna use my trusty YSL All Hours. I love this so much, but this color is too light for me right now. As you can see, this is like my chest. This color is gonna work for me right now because I'm bringing it down. My neck actually is lighter than my whole entire body. When I tan, I typically go like this, so actually it does make sense because it's like covering. I also got the concealers, the HD concealers by Makeup Forever, so I'm gonna be using this one first and then this one on top because this one is lighter. Not me doing like a first impression on a day that I should not be first impressioning. Oh ho 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 ho. It's like literally almost identical, if not identical. This is just adding more coverage onto the under eye. 3D01. And this one, oh oh yeah, this is exactly what I wanted. So I learned a tip from one of my makeup artists, is that when you're applying product, you want to pack in the product in that one space instead of like going in and then spreading it out, because then you're not going to get all the full coverage of the concealer, which makes a lot of sense. This is my trusty product. This is the LA Girl. You guys can use my code Aidette10 for anything on LA Girl. Very inexpensive already. This is in the shade Porcelain, but I love using this because it's like thick, but it doesn't feel thick on your face. It's like lightweight. How amazing, y'all. Like it just like brightened everything. It like brought everything together. I always get their banana yellow powder. It never gives me flashbacks. Their mascaras are really good. Like their nail polishes are really good. I know, so random. Everything about them is just so good. This foundation and this concealer are blending and meshing very well. I ran out of my LA Girl powder, so I'm taking this banana powder and I'm just going to be pressing it under my eyes. You want to make sure that you are setting your under eyes like immediately. This is the LA Girl, and again, another LA Girl. If you guys watch my videos, you're definitely not surprised, but I feel like I always have to repeat myself and like remind you, like, this is the product that's my holy grail. I'm low-key kind of stressed about tonight. I mean, like, not really stressed, but it's just the fact that like I want to make TikToks and I have no one to zip up my shirt. That's the only thing that's kind of like making me itch a little bit. I'm like, oh, no one can zip me up in like the top, but I'm gonna do it somehow. I always figure out a way. So this has become my favorite product when I don't have my LA Girl brow pencil. This Sephora one, this is specifically the retractable brow pencil. This is supposed to be waterproof and it is in the shade medium brown. It is the perfect color. These little hair strokes. There just has to be a way that I can grow hairs in the front. There just has to be a way. One thing that I have, like a tip for brows, is never use a concealer that's like white. You do not want to use your brightening concealer under your brows. Trust me, do not. Like, it looks so bad. It looks like you can do whatever you want with makeup, but this is just my personal beliefs. Do a shade that's kind of like a few shades lighter than your skin tone, and then blending it out. See how it just like blends out seamless and it's not overbearing. It just looks clean. I love doing the front of the brow because it just like squares everything out. I like when they just look even from like just across. It looks so good. The details of my shirt today are exactly this color here. This is the Energy color by Tarte Cosmetics, and look how beautiful this color is. I've been searching for like a good color, so I'm gonna hope and pray that it actually looks like this. Why am I doing a first impression on a day that I literally shouldn't? Okay, I think I'm gonna be putting this like up here instead today because I don't want my face to look round. I want it to be looking like a little bit more snatched. So we're gonna be putting this like right here under the eye almost. Kind of going upward. And for the eyes, I've been dying to use this color. This is by Hard Candy. This is called the Aidette, and it's a metallic eyeshadow. This is in the silver color. Do you guys remember Hard Candy? It's like in the Walmarts. Whenever I would go to the store with my mom, I would always ask her like, can I have this? Like, can I have this lip gloss? Like, look at this eyeshadow. She would always like be like, oh yeah, and get it for me sometimes. And we're just going to literally slap this on. I'm just gonna put on like a couple layers. You know that one song on TikTok from the Kardashians where they're like, we're back. Did you miss us? Me completely doing like the other side of my eye, my eyeliner, and about to put on lashes. So I actually was gonna do like a black smoky, and I was like, no. And I actually don't love using black eyeliner, so I just used my Lancome brown eyeliner. I have these lashes. They're actually by my friend. Her name is Liss Lashes, and they are in the style Angel. Let me show you how pretty these lashes are. They're like my favorite right now. You can still see the makeup poking through it, but it gives you like that sexy cat eye slash wispy look. It's just so freaking pretty. See how you can't even tell that it's brown eyeliner? So I'm just gonna put this glitter like on top of my eyes. Messy, but like in a glam way, if that makes any type of sense. You see what I mean? Like, if you get the vibe, then you get the vibe. It just, when I look to the sides, you can see the glitter kind of shimmering through. A lot of the time when I just like wing these looks, it comes out so fire. So pretty sure you guys can kind of see. My headband's gonna cover this, so it's gonna be like all covered up to like here, so you won't even see my forehead, but you never know. Just did my forehead makeup just in case. This is an eyeliner. This is the Infallible Grip 36 hour liner. We look crazy right now. I know. There's actually a smudger on the other side. Let's just use that. So I just wanna blend this. Okay, we're still looking a little crazy. Sugar and Spice lip liner by LA Girl. Blend out the edges like this. Remember, blending is key for anything in makeup. And then put whatever nude color that you want in the middle. I'm gonna do baby pink because it's me. I'm the queen of baby pink. So I'll be right back when the lip combo is done. All right guys, that is the end of the video. I am ready. Look at this makeup, like it looks so bomb. I'm so in love with like this 2000s look. I put on this fluff. I put on this little outfit. She's so cute. It like came together with a fluffy headband. I'm so happy that I just decided, like my brain was just working. I was originally not gonna wear this because I wanted something like dark vibes. And then these jeans are my absolute favorite jeans. I don't even know where the heck I got them. I know they're from a thrift store, but I don't even remember when I got them, but they just look perfect, like the most perfect jeans. They're like flared. And then I have these shoes that I showed you guys earlier from Fashion Nova. It's actually from my best friend. I haven't given it back to her, Ali's. And then this is from a little boutique. I have this cute little butterfly ring. I have this little ring. I just folded them down. There's like no undies poking out, so I just feel like this is very like 2000s. The makeup looks perfect. This is what everything looks like, and it's so cute. I love it. I love it. So I want to take this little bag, and I just don't think that it's completely necessary, but I don't want them to like take it away because I'm not driving, and I'm not throwing this away. You got me messed up if you think I'm gonna throw this away. Absolutely not. I'm gonna go pick up my brother, and then Anthony and I are gonna go hop in an Uber and go. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Mwah. Okay, bye.